Welcome back, this is Eng.Ouma Nyang, and today I want to take you through how to install a localhost server. And the localhost server we will install today is XAMPP. So XAMPP is a cross-platform for Apache, MySQL, PHP and Perl, MariaDB and Perl. So if you have any localhost server installed, you are supposed to access it from here by typing localhost in your address bar. And if you have any localhost server installed, you are supposed to open it to open the home page of the server. So I don't have any localhost server installed, and now we are going to install XAMPP server. So to access XAMPP server, XAMPP is made by Apache Friends. So you go to apachefriends.org, and here you can see that XAMPP is a cross-platform for Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. So I am going to install the XAMPP in Linux. So if you're using Windows, you can also install it by clicking here. If you're using Linux, by going to Linux, or if you're using Mac OS, you can get it from here. So I need the XAMPP for Linux, and I'll click on here to download XAMPP for Linux, and you can see your download will start automatically. So after downloading the XAMPP, it will be under the folder downloads. So if I go to my folder downloads, and I have my XAMPP here, XAMPP link installer here. So I am going to install this XAMPP. I'm going to install this XAMPP installer here, and whatever you do in the same Apache Friends website, you can check on frequently asked questions, where you can get assistance on how to install XAMPP. So how do I install XAMPP? Whatever you will do, you will change the directory, and you change the mode by making the installer to run. So whatever we will do, we will come and copy this command and open and paste it in terminal. So whatever we do, we press on Ctrl-Alt-T to open terminal, and we change the directory to download. So to change the directory to download, first you write cd change directory /downloads. You change the directory to downloads. No, I used wrong. So change directory downloads. You change the directory to downloads, then you paste that code, because our installer is under the folder downloads. So we moved from the root directly to the downloads folder, and we will paste our command that we've copied from here. So that's the first command, as you can see, and we will paste it here by Ctrl-Shift-V. That's how to paste in terminal. So we made the installer run. So whatever we'll do, we'll go to the next command, which we are going to run the installer. So I'll just copy this and paste it here in my terminal, then enter. I'm prompted for the sudo password, and I'll enter my root password. After entering my root password, it's supposed to prompt me and start installing. So as you can see, the setup menu. So I'll just go to next. So it's ready to install. Yes. So it's preparing to install. And it will install it under the opt folder in the root directory. So in this way you can install your localhost server, and when it will finish installing, you can open it on your browser and view the home page of the XAMPP. And I said that XAMPP is a cross-platform for Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. So MariaDB and MySQL uses the same queries, and the same query you write in MySQL, that is the same query you will write in MariaDB. They work using the same queries. So if my package will finish installing, then I'll be able to open it. Let's just be patient as it finalizes in this installation. Okay, so we have it installed, so we can launch XAMPP and finish installation. So the XAMPP manager, the server manager, and you can see. So let me close this. So and this, so we have our server manager here. So server manager helps you to open the database, the MariaDB, PHP, and the server itself. So we can see that MySQL database is stopped, Prof FTPD is stopped, and Apache web server is running. So we can stop all. We can stop all, then start all. And if you have a problem, mostly you are going to experience problems opening MySQL database, and MySQL database you will be opening it manually from here, because there is a clash between MySQL database in your Linux system, MySQL already in your Linux system, or if you have MySQL Workbench installed, because they will be using the same port. So if you have a problem with MySQL database, whatever you do, you will come to MySQL database, configure and change this port to port 3306, so that it will not clash, the ports will not clash with with any MySQL Workbench installed, so there will be a clash. So you change this port to 3307. For me, I don't have another MySQL database or MySQL Workbench installed, so I'll leave it at port 3306 and I'll close. So when I go to the browser, so when I open the browser and I search for localhost, let me just reload. Now you can see that it's opening my how this is how we install XAMPP server, and from here you are good to go. If you want to start using the XAMPP server, what you'll do, the server is installed under the folder, in the root directory under the folder opt. So I'll go to the root directory and we have a folder or a directory called opt. So when we come here, we will have lamp, and lamp, when you open it, so our documents we will be saving under ht docs. So here you can see ht docs. So you can create your own folder here, and you will call it we will create our own folder and we will call it tutorials. And when you want to create any folder here, you must access it as root, or else you will not have that permission to create a folder. So you open as root in order to create a folder inside the htdocs directory. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share for more, as in the next tutorial we will build more on how and elaborative ways of using the XAMPP local server. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.